I wanted to give you a quick overview of the CBK AI sandbox technology. We developed this earlier this year, and the reason I wanted to show you is because I see a lot of companies out there that are offering sandboxing for AI agent as the key feature really, but the fact of the matter is that you can roll out your own. And so I just wanted to show you some of the features of our sandboxing technology. It is part of CBK AI already, so you don't have to think about it. The agents can use this technology automatically. But this is what the backend looks like. So I'm going to create a sandbox, and we have two types of sandboxes. The first one is called shell, and then we have also something called desktop. On the shell one, I'm not going to show you because this is the same thing. It's just a remote shell into a system. It's not interesting, but the desktop one is kind of cool because if I create one and I access it, we've got this sandbox here, and then now I can connect to it. And once I mint a new URL, I can simply click on this URL, and then I have a fully flexible remote desktop, which by the way, I had to spend a lot of time kind of like customizing it to my liking, but it just basically has a minimal UI. It has a terminal, it has a browser, but everything else is quite basic. Even if I want to access, for example, what processes are running here, you can see that we're using terminal applications, and of course this is fully loaded up with the assistants that you want to use. In this case, this could be Claude, but actually you can also use the CBK assistant as well. So if I just exit, all right, come on. Anyway, let me open up another terminal, and it is as easy as CBK, and we've got the agent skills here and all this stuff. And that's it. I mean, this is pretty easy, and we can create as many of this as we want. I mean, in fact, if we go back to here, I can just create another one. And I think it's this one. I get like a new background, basically, every time I mint a new sandbox, and now I can access it here. As easy as that, right? Now, behind this is nothing fancy. It's just firecracker VMs, and so if you know firecracker, if you know how to do a bit of Go programming, and in fact, if you ask your LLM to do it, you can achieve pretty much the same results. And the only reason we haven't really open sourced this yet is simply because I don't think there is much value in having another open source sandboxing technology. But if you want to experiment with this, I'll be happy to give you some access. So please let me know in the comments.